Hello there, clean freaks. How are you doing? Today we're going to talk about these things, steel scourers. So I've got the inside of this oven door to have a look at. Now it's not hideous. In fact, it might not even show up on camera. There are a few little marks and so on, but I'm just going to show you these and how you can use these. Now a lot of people would say that you can't use these on surfaces like glass. That's not been my experience. Any sheer surface like enamel like these, any that are coated, that are sheer, these work great on. You've just got to use them right. What you should not use these on is brushed steel. A steel sink or a steel splashback, no. Big no-no. Steel hob top, cooker hob, no. But on glass, absolutely fine. It's no different to using a glass scraper. So we'll spray a little bit of degreaser on there. And I'm just going to use it very lightly, just skimming over the top. Because all I'm wanting to do is to take the surface dirt off. If you were scratching metal or glass with this, if it was doing any damage, you'd hear it, you'd feel it on the glass. But absolutely not. I'll show you the outcome of this anyway when they're finished. There is a bit of stuff behind the glass. I'm not taking this panel out today. I'm only doing the surface layer. I always think it sounds horrible. It sounds like you're doing some damage, but what you're hearing is the scourer catching on the dirt. When you stop hearing that, when it starts gliding freely, you know you've got it. You know you've done it. You can hear that catching, can't you? And now it's stopped. Move across. Done it. Oh, a little bit there. Right, what I'll also do while I'm here is I'm just going to do these outer edges. Just tidy them up a little bit. Not bad, just need a little bit of a doing. Right, next I'm going to use an old magic sponge just to take off that. Yeah, you can see what I mean, can't you? That's what was on the surface of this glass. Didn't look like much, but there was plenty there. Just take all that off. Then I'm just going to damp cloth it and buff it up with a microfiber tea towel. There will be some links in the pinned comment and description for the cloths and towels that I use. There we go. All done. Yeah, different again. That looks so much better. There are some rungs down here, but as I say, they're on the inside of the glass and there's some marks there on the inside of the glass. But the surface, all done. All done with magic sponge and one of these taboo things. If you've got any comments, you know what to do. Leave them in the comments. And if you found that useful, please let me know and give the video a like. Got any questions? Fire away. All right, you take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.